8 plus 2 equals, counting on from 8, we have 9 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to show you using the number line, counting on 8, 9, 10. The answer is 10. I'm going to show you now another example. 5 plus 2 is equal to, let's see this. You have 5, you want to count on to 2, 5, 6, 7. And the answer would be 7. Example 8, take away 2, 8, count backwards 2, 8, 7, 6. The answer is 6. I'm going to show this on the number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 8, count on backwards 7, 6. 8, take away 2, count on backwards, I get the answer as 6. Another example, say we have 5, take away 3, counting on backwards, we will start with the 5, counting on 5, 4, 3, 2. So 5, counting on backwards, 5, take away 3, gives you the answer as 2. So that's counting on backwards for subtraction. How do we do skip counting by 2? We have starting from 2 and we skip 2. Right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So skip counting by 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And this can go on for as long as you want. That is skip counting by 2. Skip counting by 5. So we start with 5 and then you skip count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you get 10. So 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on. That's called skip counting by 5. And 3 is 8. You can show this by a number bond. This is an example of a number bond. You can also show this using dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 5 and 3, you have 8. That's an example of a number bond. An example, 5 plus a number equals to 8. So you know the total to be 8, you take out 5, and you know that the missing number must be a 3. So 5 and 3 is 8. We can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can also have 4 and 4 to make 8. We can have also other numbers, right, that make 8. We can have, say, 6 and 2 makes 8. So 6 and 2 is also 8. In this case, we can have 8 and we draw it as 4 and 4. We can also have 8, which is 6 and 2. These are some of the examples of number forms. For example, 6 is how many more than 3? We have 6 here and we have 3. So 6 is 1, 2, 3 more than 3. Another example, 8 is how many more than 2? So we have the number 8 here. It's how many more than 2? So we can show that it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more than 2. Four is how many less than 9? So this is 4, this is 9. How many less than 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 is 5 less than 9. Next example. 5 is how many less than 8? For example, if I have 5 and I have 8, so 5 is 1, 2, 3 less than 8. That's using the number line to show. Plus 3 equals to 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. 5 ones plus 3 ones is 8 ones. For example, 6 plus 5 equals, I have 6 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If there are 6 1 and 5 ones, here we can bring 1 10 over, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1 10 is brought over here and the remainder is 1 ones. So 1 10, 1 ones. So the answer is 7, take away 4. I have 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to take away 1, 2, 3, 4. I will have 3 ones. So 7 ones, take away 4 ones is 3 ones. For example, 12, take away 6. If I have 12, take away 6, I need to do regrouping. So 12 will look like this, 1 10 and 2 ones. However, I can't take away 6, so I need to bring this 110 over here to show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I have 12 ones. I'm going to take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what do I have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 12 take away 6 gives me 6. example, 4 plus 4 plus 4 is the same as saying 3 groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 group. So this would be 3 groups of 4. It is also 3 times 4, which is 12. Plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, I have here 4 groups of 3. This is also known as 4 times 3, I get 12. Which means 3 groups of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Although they have the same answer, it means different things. So they show the same answer, but it just means different things. Now the first number represents the group. So if I have 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I want to put into 2 boxes, 1 here, 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 1 here. So 8 divided by 2, each one gets 4. Divided by 3. Using place values, tens and ones, 1 10 and 2 ones. If I were to divide this by 3, I can't because there's not enough. So I gotta convert or rename the 10 into ones. So here goes over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to share equally with 3. So here I have 1, 2, 3, and if I share with 3, each group gets 4. This is 1 whole. If I were to divide this into 2, this is 1 out of 2, or 1 out of 2. If this is 1 whole, I can divide this into 4 parts. I can take this away and I can call it 1 out of 4, or 1 out of 4. This is 1. If I were to cut into 3 parts and I were to shape 2 parts, so here is 2 out of 3 or 2 out of 3. Another example, I can cut into 5 parts. This would be 4 out of 5 or 4 out of 5. example, and I cut this in half. This is known as half. This is also known as half. If I have another whole, if I cut it in 4 parts, each part is 1 out of 4, 1 out of 4, 1 out of 4, 1 out of 4. So we can see that 1 out of 2 is essentially the same as 2 out of 4. We have shown that we can divide into 4 parts. So we have 1 out of 8 here, 1 out of 8, 1 out of 8 here. You can see that 1 out of 4 is the same as 2 out of 8. We can also show you that this half is also the same as 1 out of 4. That half is the same as saying 2 out of 4, which is the same as 4 out of 8. For example, 1 quarter plus 2 quarters equals to. I can also show this by a model. The fraction is divided into 4 parts. I add this part and these 2 parts. I get 3 out. Plus 1 quarter, but we know half is the same as 1 out of 4, 1 out of 4, right? So half is actually 2 out of 4 plus 1 quarter, which is actually 3 quarters. Quarters take away 1 quarter equals to, if we divide this into 4 parts. So if we have 3 quarters, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to take away 1 quarter, we have 2 out of 4. And 2 out of 4 is actually 1 out of 2. For example, 3 quarters take away half. What is half? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the same as saying 3 quarters. 1, 2, 3. 3 out of 4 take away half, and half is 3 quarters take away 2 out of 4. So we're going to take this away. It's going to be 1 out of 4. This is what we have now.